Do you ever feel like you are scrolling through Facebook or Instagram and you're seeing everybody else has these beautiful stories and graphics and posts and you're wondering how they're doing it all and is it really complicated? Well, yeah. That's me. I am not the techie girl. And so today I'm going to share with you my top apps for creating beautiful graphics for Facebook and Instagram stories and posts without having to be techie at all. So let's head on over to my phone where I will show you my favorite apps for Instagram, Facebook posts, and stories. And the best part is most of them are 100% free. Free 99. So let's first head on over to my favorite app, WordSwag. Now, this one used to be free, but now is a paid app. So if you do not have this already downloaded on your phone, there is either payments inside the app or you may have to pay just to get the app. But what I love about WordSwag is that you can use either your camera, your library of your own personal photos, or you can use their free photos. So if you don't have photos that you want to use, you are able to use the search bar at the top to search for what you are looking for, what you want to do for your photos. I really love to use this for my own quote graphics. So for instance, I have a template for when I put together quotes with my personal branding. And you can see at the bottom here that you can instantly size things in WordSwag depending on what you want to create. So it makes it very simple. If you're looking to create Instagram stories versus a Facebook cover, and you'll see whether or not your current graphic fits within this black box that shows you. So if you're going to do like an Instagram post, you would just hit next and you would double tap on this text and type in whatever it is. Test text is what I'm just going to put now, and you can see it pops up on the screen. Now if you don't like that font, you can go ahead and click a different font that is available down here. There are tons of different fonts to use. If you noticed, when I clicked on the Simply Good font, it disappeared. That's because that font is white at the current moment. You can go to the colors section, change it to whatever color you want. If you are using images, you're able to use filters over the images and lots of different styles of text. So really fun tool. You can size things larger or smaller just by squeezing the text inside of there and move it anywhere you want on the screen. So if you did have an image and you wanted to do just a small piece of text up in the corner, you could do that as well. And then when you're ready, you can hit save. If you do have a logo and you don't have a template for your graphics, you can just add your logo right after. So for instance, there's my logo, puts it right on there. I can size it again and save the graphic again. And you can instantly share it to social media platforms. I like to batch my quotes graphics and my other graphics for my social media. So I like to do quite a few at once. So that's my favorite app, WordSwag. But let's go over, if you want a free version of how to create beautiful graphics for social media, we'll go to my next favorite. So here we are over on Canva, another one of my favorite graphics creation tools. This is a desktop app and website as well as an app on your phone. So much like with WordSwag, there are templates that you can use and modify. Or you can go and you can see that all of your graphics will be saved. So you have your saved designs there. You also have the templates that you can use and create and modify inside of Canva. and you are able to do different types of posts, animated social media, Instagram stories, you can create Facebook posts, you can even do flyers and create your own logos inside of Canva. So very powerful tool for you to use to build out graphics on the go or to batch a bunch of them at your desktop computer. Now, how about those beautiful Instagram stories that we see with moving pictures and images and graphics, animated photos? Well, for that, I like to use something called Story Art. Now, Story Art is a free app, but it does have a paid version. You can see with this little crown. So if you're using the free version, you will be more limited in the graphics that you are able to use. But I've been able to create quite a few beautiful image graphics just using the free version. And what's really neat is that you're able to create some variety and movement with your stories on Facebook and Instagram. So when you edit, you're just going to be able to add your own photos from your camera roll, and you can add in you can type in your own text. So you can personalize this for your own personal brand. And then just simply download it to your phone, and you have a beautiful graphic that's going to have some movement, some variation, and keep your stories interesting. So you can then turn around and upload that to both Instagram and Facebook stories. What's also really neat is if you've ever seen those highlight covers that people have on Instagram stories, they used to be complicated to create in the past, and now you can simply and easily create highlight covers right here in this Story Art platform. So I love this tool for creating animated graphics for my Instagram and Facebook stories. Another tool that I really enjoy for creating beautiful Instagram and Facebook stories is called Mojo, M-O-J-O. And you can see that, again, this does have a paid version. So if you see the little Pro here, the Pro version is $9.99 a month or $40 a year. But again, there are tons of beautiful animated graphics that you can go in and update on your own to make your stories really pop. You can add topography, you can have ones that have a bling and gold, you can have neat effects like glitch, and then beautiful photography that you can add your own images in, create them for your own personal brand, make yourself stand out, and make people want to stick around and watch your stories and engage with your posts. So how neat is this one too, with it looks like those old picture machines that you used to get. So this is a really neat app if you want to make yourself stand out and create a very strong personal brand. So all of these apps are really good for either static or animated photos and graphics for your stories and for your posts. But what about for your video content? For that, my favorite one is InShot. So here is InShot. The reason why I love this for editing videos is that I like to shoot my video in horizontal so that I can use it for my Facebook feed, for my YouTube channel. But if you notice, a horizontal video doesn't look that good over in the Instagram feed or on IGTV or in your stories. So with InShot, you can create beautiful IGTV videos with video that you recorded in horizontal mode, and you can add in effects to make it really engaging. So you simply bring in your video, and InShot adds this blurred out top and bottom third so that it looks really nice when you upload this over to Instagram. And InShot even includes royalty-free music that you can add as long as you give credit to the music creator. You have stickers that you can use in the app to make your video really stand out. And you can add text as well. So if you want to tell your audience, like, my content creation challenge is happening next week. You can create the text in here, you can move it around, you can shrink it, you can expand it, and you can have this populate, or if you want to add some captions to your video, if you need it to go longer here, you can simply stretch this along your video. So there are a lot of tools inside InShot that will allow you to create for free. Take your existing video and repurpose it for free to use on your Instagram, IGTV, your Facebook, or your Instagram stories, anywhere where a square video image is preferred over the horizontal video. So if you liked this type of content and you want to learn more about how to build your business online, make it fun and make it easy, make sure you go ahead and jump inside my community below, Online Marketing Made Fun. That's my free classroom for entrepreneurs. And let me know in the comments, what was your favorite app that I covered today? Or what's your favorite one that you're currently using that I might have left off the list? I would love to know what you are using and loving as well, and I will see you in the next video.